Hi, are you a salaried employee earning 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupee, or even 2 lakh rupee also? But what are the exact investments you are having in your life? How much money you are segregating every month? This is what most of the individuals are thinking, but not able to get the clarity about this percentage I need to invest and how much I need to grow every month on month. And after next year, what are the exact amount I need to be grow? These are the most of the people's queries are there in their minds, but they're just randomly searching about the investment patterns, investment methodologies in YouTube or different parameters of social media, but just random information is taking care and investing, and some friends has told, or some well wishers has given the information, or a bankers has given the information to invest in X parameter and X fund or X script and X company, but you're not going to avail all these things in a right way. How you are going to scale your finances to the next level, what you really desire. This is what most of the individuals is required, right? So all investment options in this video I'm going to give to you, so that you get the clarity what are the things you required to scale your finances to the next level. What are the investment patterns you need to have? What are the clarity you need to get? What are the exact essence you need to be follow in a day-to-day basis to scale your net worth to the next level, to build a real portfolio of years? What are the steps you need to take in care? Step by step process. You do from A to B, B to C, C to D. In this particular video I'm going to give. Please watch this till the end so that you get the clarity how and what and why you need to take the responsibility about your portfolio to build to the next level what you really desire. And I'll share you the screen to you so that you get the clarity about the patterns. Just simple parameters. I'm just giving these are the six major parameters how you as a person to be taken care in your life. Confusion is expensive. Is it right? No. Because clarity is profitable. Why? Because if you're a salaried employee earning well, but you're working very hard, but if you don't know where to put your money, suppose you're earning the money and you're putting your money in a fixed deposit, putting your money in a RD, or putting your money in a equity, or a mutual fund, stocks, or a gold or silver, wherever you are planning to, just randomly you are investing. No particular task, no particular purpose. This is also most of the people are understandable knowledge is not there. Just random information taking, putting that in the savings, whatever they are attracted, and they are getting a returns also a little bit, but not able to gain that required number for the end goal. So that is the only parameter how you as a person to be involved. No savings despite income, because confusion is always triggering to the most of the individuals, because we are just earning the money, spending the money for our luxuries, for our needs, for our wants, and for our goals also. Most of the people are spending some money for different situations of emotional identity purposes. Because of this reason, they're not able to change their perspective to the next level. And also silent fear of not growing financially, because my salary is only little bit, I have a lot of expenses in my life, I could not able to judge the number what I want to be predict for my future. This is also most of the things is happening. Why? Because confusion, where to invest, how to invest, what are the reason, if the returns is not happen, what will happen to me. These are all the problems is there. These are a lot of scripts are there in the market, like gold, FD, real estate, crypto. There is different things is there, but I don't know that knowledge about these things. And if I knows the knowledge also, there is a fraudsters is happening in one or other reasons. This is all most of the things is happening in most of the individual's life nowadays. Getting a clarity, but using that clarity in a right way to scale the net worth is one of the most important factor, because this is not happening in most of the individuals life. Why? Because they're taking some contextual knowledge, using that contextual knowledge about the mutual funds, about the stocks, about the gold, about the cryptocurrencies, and they're thinking that they know everything. This is what my intention is. I want to be give the clarity to you, the foundation to be fixed in such a way where you need to be more focused on. That's why my intent is, this is what I would like to convey the message to. That's why you need to have a clarity in a profitability in nature to build your net worth to the next level, what you really desire, the portfolio what you want to build. Whether you want to build 10 crore portfolio, 20 crore portfolio, 100 crore portfolio, it will happen. Only thing is whether you know the process about these things in a deeper level by aligning your mindset, by changing your perspective towards that is one of the most important factor. And the second parameter is create a financial identity shift. Why this financial identity shift is important? Because of this pattern. Don't think like a employee. Employee will always think like first I'll save or I'll spend. Question yourself. Always most of the people are after the salary credited, they will spend and then anything left they will save. This is pattern is happening. That's why my intent is always whatever the money is credited into your bank account every month, first you need to have a clarity about the savings, clarity about your investments, clarity about your future. Then only the answers will come to you. Otherwise it will not happen. To grow your net worth, first don't be in a hurry to spend the money what you got, what you received. Once you understand these things in a deeper level, the answers will come to you. So please be intact, have a clarity, having a financial identity of your number, how you are going to scale your net worth to the next level. The third parameter is simple. The 5 investment pillars you must have in 2025. What are these 5 investment pillars? These are the pillars where you need to be strong. Then the answers will come to you to scale your portfolio to the next level, that is 10 crore net worth, 10 crore portfolio in your life. First, you should have an emergency fund in your life. Whatever the investments you are doing, whether your salary is 30,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees, doesn't matter. Whether you have a emergency fund in your life or not is one of the most important segment. If your salary is 30,000, it's okay, no problem. But whether you can able to smartly manage that money in a right way is one of the most important essence what you need to be assimilate in yourself. Then the answers will come to you. So your salary is one thing, emergency fund is one thing. Why? Because once the salary is credited, some portion of that money should be kept aside as an emergency fund. What is that portion? Suppose you need to analyze your monthly expenses. At least 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses should be kept aside, where you should not be touch that money under any circumstances. Only it will be used when uncertainties happen. This is what the main core of the emergency fund. Don't just jump into that account and use that. That is not your money. Only in case of emergencies. Emergencies are when you job loss, when you have any problem in your house, any health issues happen, any car accident happen, any personal issues happen, then only you can touch that money. Otherwise, don't touch that money. And also SIPs in index funds or flexi cap mutual funds is one of the most important factor where you need to have the clarity in your life. This investments is one of the most important factor where you need to start with simple segment. And NPS, everyone knows that retirement security is one of the most important factor where you as a person to be analyze these things in a deeper level to be authentic at the time of retirement after the 60 years, where you should be, where your portfolio should be, where your financial position should be, how you lead the life at the 60 years is one of the main important factor, right? So based on this essence, how you are going to change the trajectory about your finances is based on your thought process, based on your actions, based on your task, what you are going to fulfill for the particular day. It will change the really trajectory when you decide about these patterns. So for those who want tax saving plus long-term stability, you can go for this retirement planning. And for digital gold or digital silver is also one of the main factor where you as a person to be taken care. That is, gold is not an expense. Everybody knows that. It is not an expense. It is expense when you understand in a deeper level. For your future, it will monetize it for your betterment of your life. When bought wisely, it becomes a security for you. That's what the main thing is. When you know about the reality about your gold, the answers will come to you. You know what is a gold rate for the last 10 years back? Now, what is a gold rate now? What is the gold rate of 5 years back? What is the gold rate now? And how the gold rate will increasing in a day-to-day basis, whether you are monitoring that or not, question yourself. It will definitely change the trajectory about your net worth building. If some portion of the money has to be kept aside for your gold or silver also. Silver is also one of the most important thing nowadays. It is using like anything, raw silver or a digital silver, wherever you want, you just go and have it. And have some portion of the portfolio of yours to build your net worth of portfolio to the next level. The real estate is one of the fifth segment where you as a person to be taken care. Everybody knows that only if it is builds passive income, then only go and invest in those particular real estate. Otherwise, no. Why? Because only suggest for those earning 75,000 plus with extra funds. Otherwise, don't be hurry. Rental, co-living, land appreciation values considered in the prime locations where the water is good, where the transportation is good, where the offices are there. Then only go and plan and purchase that particular property so that the rental amount will come in a consistent way. Otherwise, if you go and purchase any city outskirts and go purchase in any different lands and all, and assuming that the value will be appreciated, okay. If you have a sufficient money keeping lying aside in your bank account or in your fixed deposit, go and do that. But don't take loans among that and expecting that returns will come. It should be have consistent money has to be flow into your bank account or a portfolio so that then only you can go and purchase this. And a house for status is a burden. A house for income is an asset. This is also most important segment. So once the money is coming into your portfolio of your bank account, then it will be treated as a good asset for you. That's a good debt for you. A house for status, don't go for it. So because if you are always we are emotional human beings, we are relying on emotional pressures, societal identity purposes we are living now. Most of the people, not only you I'm talking about, everyone is having this intent. But whether we having that clarity about to take care in our life to achieve what we really desire, that is one of the most important factor where you as a person to be involve yourself to grow your net worth to the next level. A house for income, it should be consistent into your portfolio, then only go and take that consideration. This is what the main important factor. And the fourth parameter how you are going to evaluate these things is that is avoid these wealth killers. What is it, wealth killers? Wealth killers is the credit card debt. Credit card debt is the most problematic situation in nowadays because 99% of the people are using credit cards outstandings nowadays. This is the fact. And personal loans for lifestyle purposes. Your friend has taken iPhone, you are taken iPhone. Your friend has taken one luxury vehicle, you are taken luxury vehicle. And your friend or relative has taken a 50 inch, 60 inches TV, you have taken. This societal pressure, emotional purchases is happening in consistent manner. So please be attentive towards that goal. What is yours in your life? Then based on that, take appropriate actions. Crypto hype without fundamentals. Most of the people are seeing in a social media that cryptocurrency is going like anything, Bitcoin is going like anything, Ethereum is going like anything, Doge is doing these things. But it's okay whether we have a knowledge about that particular cryptocurrencies in a right level or not. Then go and take actions to grow your net worth to the next level. If your money does not have a direction, the market will take the money from you. Please understand. You need to have a clarity what is the money you are having as of now, where you are investing and how much the money you are investing and what are the exact returns you are expecting for the next period. That period of the deadline you need to fix. Whenever you are investing, you need to plan for the exit plan also. If you don't have an exit plan, don't start. Suppose you're planning for 1 lakh rupee investment within the next 2 years, 20%, 30% is the returns for me. And after getting this 30%, I need to exit from this. That deadline you need to have, that exit plan you should have. Otherwise, your exit plan is for the next 20 years or 30 years. It is for my children purpose or for my retirement purpose or for my children marriage purpose. You are segregating this money and consistently do for a passive money consistently into this particular stream. Then only it will be the purpose for you. Otherwise, it will not happen in your life. What is the happening in your life is the struggle. If you don't have a clarity, financial stress will improve. The clarity deals the financial stress in a right way to grow your financial peace, what you really achieve. That's what the main core, what I would like to convey the message to you. And the fifth parameter is the 3 bucket strategy money flow model. These are the 3 based on these parameters, based on these buckets, based on these strategies. Definitely everyone can achieve everything. So if you are ready to take this responsibility, the answers will come to you. So fixed EMIs and bills, that is a general essentials. 50% you need to segregate for your rent, segregate for your EMI, segregate for your normal expenses, grocery expenses, everything you need to segregate for this 50% for it. There's a fixed expenses. And for your freedom, that's for investments and savings, for 30% you need to segregate of your income of monthly. And also flexible, that is for your fun, going for restaurants, movies, and for your life 20% you need to segregate for that. Then the answers will come to you, so that you can see the real change what you as a person to grow your net worth to the next level. This is what the main intent, how you're going to scale your finances to the next level. And the sixth parameter is simple: income levels and ideal investment mix. What is this? What are the current situations of your life? What are the current parameters? How you are going to evolve yourself to grow your net worth to the next level, to grow your portfolio to the next level, is one of the most important factor where you as a person to be taken care. What are these income levels is simple, where you need to be understand about these percentages. Suppose your income range is 30,000 to 50,000 rupees if your salary every month, or whatever the income you are getting every month, your investment should be 20 to 25% should go to your emergency fund. It should go to your SIP or RD. Suppose if your income is 50,000 to 1 lakh rupee in between is there, your investment percentage should be 30 to 40% of your income should go for SIPs, NPS and digital gold or silver. And if your income range is 1 to 2 lakhs rupees, 40 to 50% it should go for your SIPs, real estate and business. This is what the main important factor where you need to be more focused on. Then the answers will come to you. So if you don't understand these things in a deeper level, where you should not get anything. So when you know about the parameters, what are the actions you need to take in care, and what are the processes, what are the steps you need to be understand, and to do the things from today onwards, the life of yours will be changed. The only thing is whether you are ready to take that responsibility or not, it is in your hand. You don't need 1 lakh per month to invest. You need one decision per month to start. That's it. It's not about the stock market. It's about your mindset. It's not about timing the market. It's about trusting a method what you want to follow in a consistent manner. It's not about earning more. It's about following and flowing your current income wisely to the required place. That's what the main thing is. Don't chase investments. Build a system and let them come to you in the form of returns of 40% or 50% is more than 100%. As of now, my portfolio returns is 123.3%. Based on my analysis, based on my expertise, based on the investment patterns, I invested the money in a right way to grow your net worth to the next level. This is what where you need to be more focused on. So now, by now you got the clarity about what are the exact investment patterns in India or in a global way, how you are going to scale, what are the mindset you need to be fixed, what are the analysis you need to be follow, what are the things as a person, as a salaried individual, based on your income, how you are going to improve your net worth of portfolios to the next level. It has clearly decoded. It's a clearly essence of the mindset. It is clearly essence of the analysis of the thought process, how you are going to take in care in your life. So if you want to be associate with this, associate with the high net worth individuals to grow your net worth in a faster way, and you want to get the clarity, yes, why the rich people are going to be rich always, why poor people are not able to manage in a right way the money what they have invested for the next levels, because of the mindset, because of the actions, because of not able to understand the current situations. That's why I'm conducting a live wealth breakthrough workshop. That is a 10 crore live masterclass where you can get the clarity about your planning, get the clarity about your assessment, get the clarity about the actions, what you are going to take to achieve the 10 crores net worth in your life. So once you understand about these parameters in a deeper level, the answers will come to you, because the only way is how you are going to scale, how you are going to understand, how you are going to analyze, how you are going to manage it to grow your net worth, what you want to be get in your life, in terms of mutual funds, in terms of real estate, in terms of cryptocurrency, in terms of portfolio management systems, in terms of alternative investment funds, in terms of real estate, in terms of REITs, in terms of fractional investments, whatever you want to invest, there is an option here there. There is a scope is there. Only thing is whether you are ready to follow that discipline patterns, whether you are ready to follow the clarity in your life or not, it is in your hand. Once you decide, the answer will come to you. Are you ready to take the responsibility? Then the link is in the description. Click that link and reserve your seat for the next upcoming live masterclass where you can showcase the 10 crores net worth. And also I'm sharing one more link, that is my blueprint to the financial peace, how you are going to achieve financial peace in your life. It is a free of cost, actually 5,999 rupees worth blueprint is there, but you are watching this video till the end, so that I'm giving to you that blueprint. The link is in the description. Click that link and read that link read that parameters what I have been decoded and assimilate this and take action so that you get the clarity about how you're going to achieve financial peace in your life in a right way. So if this video has given the deeper insights, please share this video to your friends and fellow wishers and subscribe and like and give me the valuable comments what you have been learned in this particular video in a 1 or 2 sentence so that you will see the real change in yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Madhu Kodidala, financial peace strategist and founder of the Wealth Expertise Hub and author of the book, The Wealth Frequency Code. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you very much.